It's a lovely morning, and thank you for giving me all the support for organizing this program in a very short note. And unfortunately, we are not in campus, but still, thank you to the technology that we are far, still we are near because of this technology. So happy 11th Foundation Day to all of us. So it's a very big day for SITM. Hopefully, next year we will do a grand celebration in our campus with a very good and positive note. So I would like to request our director, ma'am, please say a few words about the day. Please, ma'am.
Can you hear me all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So a very good morning to everyone. It would be nice if I can see your faces and then talk a few minutes, if possible. Actually, we should have met in the campus celebrating these days when we laid the foundation stone of this institution 10 years back. This is the 11th year that we are in today. And it's really pleasure for me that we have completed 1 decade in this ecosystem, in this engineering, in this technical education ecosystem, in this higher education ecosystem. And it really gives me pleasure that I have a big team of family member with me today, with whom I have the confidence of bringing this institution to a different height. And I know with all of your support and all of your help, we will reach that height that I'm dreaming of, so that one day we will be there, people telling us, yes, this is a CITM. So we are just newborn in this system, and 10 years old, 11 years old now. And then we want to go ahead. Maybe we are giving very small steps, but the steps should be steady and the steps should be laid with confidence, so that whatever we do it correctly with less mistakes done, and we carry happiness of all the people who are associated with us, maybe our students, our faculty members, our non-teaching staffs, and whoever, the smallest of the person or the person who is associated in directly or indirectly with us, are happy being with us. We go hands in hand together, and I always stress that we are a family. No one has got a superiority problem here. No one is junior, senior, nothing as such goes on. We work with each other hands in hand, so that whatever problem one faces, we can solve it, do it, and come out of it easily with our hands hold together. In the past few years, we have seen many things, many ups, many downs. And of course, all this gives us an experience of making us more strong and helping us so that we commit less and less of mistake and go ahead in this journey, adding our new feathers to our hat, so that we can proudly say, yes, we are Scholarians. And I'm happy that I have got a team who is really very hardworking, and they are putting in their best to keep up to the expectation of whoever comes into the institution. And in days to come, we will actually excel here. And we will do. That confidence I have. With dedication of such a big team, we are sure that we will succeed someday. Small hiccups will be there, but that should not bring us down. we should always go ahead with our head held high, so that there is nothing to be so that we can be proud of whatever small things we are doing in our own capacity. On this foundation day, it's really, I mean, I can see you all in the screen. Yeah, 2 years back, we celebrated it nicely with all our past students there and everything. One batch have already, in between this COVID and everything, one batch have already graduated, and we are not able to say them a goodbye also. But of course, if the system allows and the things come to normal, we will have a get together with them also. And my heartfelt thanks to all of you out there who have joined today in this program. So whatever small way we could, we are bringing this program together with the help and support of the entire SITM team, with the students, with the faculty members and everyone. Thanks once again for being there, for being my strength, for being the eyes and head and brain of the institution, who are actually doing work with your two small hands, but lots of hands have joined together to bring us to the point where we are. Days were there where people had a notion that I don't know how far we are going to go. Maybe we are going to collapse someday. But I tell you, if we have come over, we have recovered those days, we are winner. And existing, I think we are really the word that whatever Dowrin has said, that fittest, survival of the fittest, I think we have survived and we have come out to be a fit institution. So not to worry, put in your 100% and we are going to shine, I'm sure. And thanks to you once again. Wishing you all a very happy Foundation Day of the institution. May we shine, may we all rise and shine and prosper in the society, make a mark in the society, and everyone should be feeling proud that yes, we have graduated from scholars. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, yeah, so let me announce the program menu once. After ma'am's speech, we will have a song by Maushami Das. She is a singer from outside. She is not our student. After that, there will be poetry by Murchana Mahanta, first year civil department. One dance performance by duo sisters from Meghalaya. They are also from outside. They are not from our college. Then speech by Ruhul Amin, first year CSC department. Presentation by Maxim Abula, department CE, second year. Then there will be a speech by Tina Gogoi ma'am, assistant professor civil department. Then a short quiz program by Nirankush Das sir, assistant professor mechanical department, and it will be followed by vote of thanks. So let not waste our time. Maushami, you are here. Maushami, can you hear me? Maushami, you are here. Okay, fine. So let me introduce with you Maushami. She is a good singer. So Maushami, can you please start with your introduction?
Okay.
Hi Maushami.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
Good morning.
I wish all the SITM for the 11th Foundation Day, and a very, very thanks to Gunosri Raut ma'am for giving me the chance to sing in this platform.
You are most welcome, Maushami.
Okay. मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तो हना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तो हना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, ऐसी तूने अनकहा सब सुना, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, तू दिन सा है मैं रात आ ना जाऊं, मिल जाए शामों की तरह, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तो हना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे। ये तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, ये तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, आँखें तेरी सब सही सब कुछ अभी जान लूं, ये तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, तेज है धारा बहता सा हम आवारा, आथम की सांस यहाँ, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तो हना लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Moshvi. It was so nice. Thank you. Clap, 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 clap for you. Thank you so much. Here we can't. Yeah, here we can't say once more also. So hope to see you again at our campus. Okay?
Sure.
Then again we will shout once more. I'm so proud of you. And one more thing, okay? I'm so proud of you. Now I will announce that she is my cousin sister, okay?
Okay. Very nice,
Yeah.
Maushami. Thank you for your song. Very nice.
Yeah,
Thank
she
you.
is Maushami. She is Maushami Raut Das.
Yeah,
So
she is like
I'm
me.
so I'm so proud sister now. Thank you so much, Maushami, for giving your time. Yeah.
Okay.
So next is thank you. So next is Murchana Mahanta. Murchana, you are here. Murchana,
Yes,
we're
ma'am.
waiting for your lovely presentation. So Murchana, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Wishing everyone a very happy 11th Foundation Day of SITM. So I'm
Thank you,
here
Murchana.
to recite a poem. So I'm here with a poem, Journey of Glory. An ambition for glory and passion, an aspiration of compassion. The first headway to the beginning of knowledge, and rather the edge of an unbound sketch. Pushing the limits to a new extent to achieve the new line of horizon. A journey to look forward and leave behind everything that turned the progress backward. Sow your hard work and reap your success. It's the journey of glory that one could express. Thank you.
Lovely, Murchana. So proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Clap for her. Clap for everyone. I request everyone. Clap for Murchana. Thank you, Murchana. Thank you so very much. And the program will be followed by sisters from Meghalaya. Vaishali, Sweta, both of you are here. Vaishali, Sweta.
Yes, ma'am.
So please start with your introduction. Let me clear one thing. Actually, one accident has happened in their house. Actually, her auntie got brain hemorrhage. So they have just recorded the video and they will share their screen. Now they are going to the hospital. They are on the way. From car they came live. So please continue. Continue, Vaishali and Sweta. Please continue.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shweta Das. My name is Vaishali Das. And we are here to present a small dance, that is a folk dance. We are very thankful to ma'am for this opportunity. And we wish you all a very happy 11th Foundation Day. So it's a small folk dance. I hope you all will like it.
Sweta, can we see you? Sorry, Vaishali, can we see your face? You are not visible. Yeah, hi. Okay. So you can share your screen. Okay. Any problems, Sweta? Need help?
Ma'am, bear with me with a second, please.
Yeah, fine. If you require any help, you can ask to Nirankush, sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi there, hi there, hi.
Omuza, Ali Khan gaite tako. Sara sile to lagi ekta গান গাও না রে মা।
You know what? I like that idea. Yeah.
আইলারে নয়া দামান আসমানের তেরা মিসানা বিসাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান দামান আইলারে নয়া
Video not coming.
আসমানের তেরা মিসানা বিসাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান
Is the video not visible, ma'am?
You can see the video, sir. Anyone? Anyone can see
No,
the video?
video is not visible.
Video is not visual.
It is not visible, ma'am.
Omuza,
Yes, it's coming now.
Sara sile to lagi ekta গান গাও না রে মা।
You know what? I like that idea. Yeah.
আইলারে নয়া দামান আসমানের তেরা মিসানা বিসাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান দামান আইলারে নয়া দামান আসমানের তেরা মিসানা বিসাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান দামান
সুন্দরী হলো মন তো আমার সুরি walking like a boss shaking all the chuties man shaking all the chuties know that I'm gonna be the one to put my life I'm under your bena kurugari baby see lady Ferrari
ও দামান করে কথা খাওরে বাটার পান যাইবারও কথা কো যদি খাইটা রাখমো খানে দামান ও দামান করে কথা খাওরে বাটার পান যাইবারও কথা কো যদি খাইটা রাখমো খানে দামান আইলারে নয়া দামান আসমানের তেরা বিছানা বিছাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান আইলারে নয়া দামান আসমানের তেরা বিছানা বিছাইয়া দিলাম শাইল গানের মেরা দামান
Thank you so much, Sweta. Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you. It's a wonderful performance. Please clap for you both. So hope to see you soon at our campus. So we are booking both of yours, all the slots for upcoming programs at our campus. So best of luck for your future ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is
Thank you.
next is Ruhul Amin. Ruhul, you are here. Ruhul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we are waiting for your speech. Ruhul, please start.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected director, madam, all hardworking teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here for a celebration, and it is 11th Foundation Day of our institution. It's been wonderful days that I have spent in our campus. Due to lockdown, we could not get more time to spend in our college campus, but it was only 3 months in campus, and then we had the most valuable and quality time spent there. Teachers we have in our institution are best in every aspect. They are like parents when we need caring, like friends when you need sharing, and the lessons we learn from them are memorable. Even in class, their teaching style is unique and very easily understandable. Our director, madam, is very caring and polite to us. She always praise and encourages us when we do something good. I remember an incident. Me and my friends were cleaning campus by picking up plastics from all around the campus. Director madam along with Bonusri madam came to us and praised us a lot. Our college campus is unique and it has a very clean and calm atmosphere. It is surrounded with fields all around, so it is a very quiet place and also very amazing place to spend. Also in hostel we stayed. It is very like whenever we feel bored, we go outside and go to the terrace. It feels very good. And hope so that we that our college reopen soon and we go to our college campus very soon and make memorable memory there. And the friends I have got there are like the best friends now. We'll be having like 4 years in college campus and hope so that we all stay as friends for the whole life. Now I have some photos to share with you all for campus. I'd like to share my screen with your concern. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, Rugul.
Yes, ma'am. This is a beautiful campus. It was captured in the evening. The only tower here is BSNL and Airtel. We have only the connections here. And the hills all around. It is very beautiful. And the gardening, it is quite maintained. So it is very beautiful there. So it is a hostel campus. It is also very beautiful and well maintained, fully clean. Our canteen. This is our gym. Thank you, everyone. With this few words and the photos presentation, I would like to wind up my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Rugul. Thank you for showing us all these lovely photographs. You are a good photographer, I must say. Thank you. And you say the teachers and all are very caring and caring to all of you. So it's both sided, okay? And you all are so much loving to us. So, like, you know, this kind of cares and everything comes from heart. Okay, and I'm so very much in love with you guys. Like all the kids. I love you so much. So next is Maxim Abula. You are here, Max? Maxi, you are here?
Yes, ma'am.
You can continue, Max.
Is the screen visible to everybody?
Yes, Max, is visible.
No. Oh. My apologies. I would like to present a video, so could you please give me a few minutes, a few seconds actually, to try
Yeah,
and
sure.
make it visible.
Yeah, sure, Max.
Yes. Oh no. Okay. Goodness. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. My tablet does not want to allow me to share the video while during the call. I don't know what's the problem. So if anyone has the idea what's going on, can you please help me
So
real
you are
quick?
playing from a tablet?
Yes.
Do you have another
Yes, sir.
phone?
I have my phone with.
So join the meet from your phone and maybe, I don't know. If you have the video on your phone, you can play. Just try for some time.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Let me try it with the phone then. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Is the video audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay, thank you.
The video voice is not audible. You just increase the volume of your video.
It's increased. Oh no.
On your cell, you just increase it. On your
Yes,
phone.
it's completely increased, sir.
Left hand side, you've got an icon, no? Blue color icon, volume. You just increase it.
Unplug your headphones. It's not coming. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Due to technical issues that I'm having right now, I would like to give my speech without the video, and I would later on the video with everybody. If possible, I would send it to Vanessa Ma'am, and she will share it. Right now.
It's okay, sure. Next one. Continue.
Okay. So I would like to experience the college from the time when I got to this college. So I arrived in India on the 31st July 2019. And I arrived here in India, and I arrived in the Delhi airport, and I came here to Assam late in the evening. So on the way to SITM, all I could see on the road was we are going deep inside the village, and I got a little bit scared, like maybe these people are trying to kidnap me or something, because we're going deep inside the village. So in my mind, I thought SITM was somewhere close to the road, but when I saw it going deep inside the village, I was so scared, and also because it was in the middle of the night. But the preceding day, when I woke up and I looked around the campus, I found out the campus is a very beautiful place, and I found out that the campus has a very beautiful nature around it. It's surrounded by nature, which I, for one, I'm very fond of nature. So I was very, very at peace. But the first thing that, when people say the first impression lasts, clearly they mean it, because people who first saw me the first day of August, when I went to the canteen to get food, they know my impressions when it comes to food. They know when it comes to food I cry, because that day what happened was I went to the canteen and they presented me with different cuisines of India, and to my surprise they were all beautiful cuisines, but then I couldn't find myself to eating it. I was like, oh, what is this now? And I started crying, and everybody was so surprised. Why is this guy crying? He's being okay this whole day, and now when it comes to food, he's crying. And they were very, very helpful. They tried to Google my cuisines to understand the different type of food I eat, different cuisines we have at home, and they tried to make at least something close to it. And it was very, very, very wonderful. And I was so blessed to have it, because like clearly I disappointed them by crying. Like they were so surprised, how is this guy crying over food? But after that onwards, it was so wonderful. Everybody was so chilled. Everybody was so appealing. Everyone here, to be honest, is a family to me. I have my family far away, like 8,000 miles away from me. And the only family I have around me right now is SITM faculty, SITM security, SITM canteen members, SITM workers. Everybody around me right now is my family. And they have been helping me in so many ways. They have been showing me love ever since I was here. Everything that I got here was love, nothing but love. And I cannot complain. And I'm very, very sorry that the video that I worked so hard to make this morning couldn't be played on screen, because it had so much to say. I had so much to say on that video, and now I'm lost of words, because everything that I said was already on the video. And since I used the tablet and the phone to display it, it couldn't come through. But I'm so sorry for that. Hopefully next time I will play it for you guys and it will be okay. Thank you, teachers, for having me, and thank you for raising me, because honestly, ever since I was here, past years I was here, I have gained a lot of experience. A lot of experience in the language, the culture, diversity at large. I have gained a lot. I have gained a lot of friends. I have gained a lot of good memories and bad memories. It balances at the end of the day. So I would write a book about it. And I still have a lot to experience, because if it wasn't for COVID, I'm pretty sure would be experiencing more than this. I'm very thankful for all the experience that I have and all the experience I'm about to have in the future. Because my wonderful teachers, my director ma'am, chairman, the school, my schoolmates, my friends, and everybody. If I ever made you my animal anything. I'm sorry. Just who we are in this life, and I'm so sorry. But thank you very much for listening to me this very afternoon. Thank you.
Thank
you,
Maxi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. The way you expressed your feelings to the college, your respect to the faculty members was so nice. Thank you so much. And
Max,
please send me that video.
maybe you should write down your experiences if it's possible.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay?
sir. Yeah, please write down.
I have written an article before, but it wasn't actually meant for the school. It was meant for my experience in India, and I sent it over to one of the people who's my guardians in India. So actually, I love writing, but the thing with writing is that sometimes it's very tiring because I've written something before. I gave it to so many different people, and they had their own opinions, and they were not that good. They're like,
No,
we
what
don't
I'm
un-
saying is just write it to keep it yourself, and just
that-
write it without aiming of publishing it or giving it to someone else. Just keep writing and see it increasing in size.
Yes,
That's a
actually,
great feeling.
I'm planning to write like different articles so that in the end of my final year, I can make something like what you call it, memoir.
Yeah, exactly.
memoir.
Memoir.
Yes, sir. So
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Max. And please send me that video so that we can upload that on YouTube also. Okay? Send your video to me. Okay, fine. And thank you so much, Max. And best of luck for your future ahead. Mrs. Tina, Assistant Professor, ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. Okay, respected director, ma'am, our senior faculties, my dear colleagues, and my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. It's almost about to noon. Still, we have 5 minutes. Okay, so on this occasion of 11th Foundation Day of our prestigious institution SITM, I welcome you all to this program. To say I have spent only 10 days in the campus, but the love and support that we all the members share is just unconditional. I have never felt such experience in my life that I have experienced here. And since I am working in an institution like this for the first time, but I didn't face any problem. It's just that everyone is so supporting that without any flaws, we can work here. I don't want to say much, but I want to give you all a token of love by singing a song. I think it's possible here. Yes, ma'am, Bonasri ma'am, can I sing a song?
Yeah, sure.
As a token of love?
Yeah, we would love to. We would love to. Please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I don't have any music, pardon me for that. I will sing.
No, it's okay. You just sing.
Okay. It's a Assamese song, Assamese modern song.
Okay.
Tupal, borokune ahi, sopur potat sumahi sidi jai. মেঘই নাচুনে পৃথিৱী কপালে সেউজ হাৰা জীৱ তৰি পাই উপচি আহে কুলি জৰে জোৱাৰ কুহে কুহে শুনো গীতি নৱৰ টোপাল বৰষুণে আহি চকুৰ পতাত চুমাহি চিদি যায় প্ৰতিটো টোপালত স্পন্দন আহে বৈ পুৰণি হিয়াকে জোকাৰি যাবলৈ সপোনৰ গুণ কাঞ্চন টুপে টুপে আহে বৈ ধৰণীৰ বুকুতে জীপাল হবলৈ উপচি আহে কলিজাৰে জোৱাৰ কুহে কুহে শুনো গীতি নৱৰসাল টোপাল টোপাল বৰষুণে আহি চকুৰ পতাত চুমাহিছি দি যায় কেঁচা কেঁচা মাটিতে ঢৌকি বাথৌ মন সুবাসত আমোল মোল মিঠা মিঠা যৌৱন মেঘে মেঘে ৰদালি সোণালী চুলি মেলি মায়াময় অভিনৱ লুকা ভাকু খেলি উপচি আহে কলিজাৰে জোৱাৰ কুহে কুহে শুনো গীতি নৱৰসাল টোপাল টোপাল বৰষুণে আহি চকুৰ পতাত চুমাহিছি দি যায় মেঘৰ নাচোনে পৃথিৱী কপালে সেউজ আজি বাতৰি পায়
Thank you. And I also like to thank all the students for their cooperation in the classrooms. We have never faced any trouble from you people. We love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Isn't she
very good?
Isn't she amazing? Isn't she amazing? It's just wonderful. Thank you so much. You are so talented, ma'am. Yeah. From next time, like you will be lead, okay? First, we'll start with your lovely song, then we will continue your program from next time onwards. Lovely. And thank you so much for making this program, like, this wonderful. So next is our most awaiting program by Nirankush Das, sir, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department. Over to you, sir. Please describe your things, what you are going to do.
Hello, and it's just 12 p.m. So I will say good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, specifically sir. Director ma'am, my colleagues and all my dear students. First, congratulations everyone on the 11th Foundation Day of SITM. And I won't be giving any speech, but I want all of your active participation in a short quiz based on recent events. Okay, the recent events can be anything, Olympics, or even questions pertaining to our own college. Okay, in this quiz I want everyone's participation, all faculty, all students. Okay, so let me share my screen and then I will start asking the questions. The question may be direct, audio visual, direct or audio visual. Okay, so let me start sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give it in slideshow mode. So it's a short quiz, so 10 to 12 question max. Okay. And these are the rules. 10 questions or 12 questions, fastest fingers first. All attendees can answer, faculty, students. And I know many of you will answer vocally, but whoever types the answer first in the chat box gets the credit. Okay? And Priyanku sir, if you can help me a little bit with that.
Okay, sir, I'm here.
That will be great. So, is everyone ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
open your chat box and get ready to type your first answer. So here it goes.
Neeraj Chaudhary.
Who? Neeraj Chaudhary?
Neeraj Chopra.
Rajiv sir.
Rajiv sir.
Okay, let me check.
Rajiv sir, type it first.
Yeah, I think it's Rajiv Shah. Neeraj Chopra. Nice. Someone said Neeraj Chaudhary, but that's okay. Okay, the next one. Look at the question first.
15 किलो का ये दूसरा अटेम्प्ट मीराबाई चानू का.
Someone has answered Mira Bhai.
Look at the question, please,
And that
everyone.
not the weightlifting technique.
और लीजिए.
I hope everyone saw the video. Did anyone answer? So I asked about the weightlifting technique. Everyone knows that she is Mirabai Chanu. So anyone? Any faculty? The weightlifting, John Pani. No, it's not clean and snack.
Clean and jerk, nahi sir.
Murchana Mohanto said clean and jerk. Yes, that is the answer. So clean is the part where she picks up from the ground to her shoulder, and then jerk is the rest. Okay, so that is the weightlifting technique. And the other technique which they usually do is the snatch. They pull it from the ground and straight to the top. Okay, so there are two weightlifting techniques that are competed in the Olympics. So the next question. So look at the question carefully before answering. Okay, someone answered breathing. I don't know what technique is that. How many medals did India win at the Tokyo Olympics? And I need you to give me the breakup. How many golds, how many silvers, and how many bronze? I need the breakup. Gold, silver, bronze. Yes, Murchana Mohanto. 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. Murchana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you name who won gold, who won silver, and who won bronze?
Sir, Neeraj Chopra won gold.
Yes.
Mirabai Chanu and Ravi Dahiya won silver.
Yes.
Then Indian men's hockey team, Bajrang Punia, PV Sindhu won bronze.
And one more. You forgot the daughter of Assam, I guess.
Oh yes, sir, Lovelina Brahmat.
So, can I have a big round of applause for not Lovelina but Murchana? Good. Okay, here comes the next question. Okay, read the question carefully. Any answers?
Aditi, yes.
Okay. Murchana Mohanto Burman again. Aditi Ashok. Murchana, I appreciate your knowledge. Maybe we can give other students a chance. Okay. She is Aditi Ashok, and she is world ranked close to 200, I guess, but she came 4th, and that's a big feat. Commendable feat. Okay, the next question. I think that's enough. Subroto, if you can type the full name correctly, you get the credit. Yes, it's. I think it's Parattu Ravindran Srijesh, and he has been called the wall of Indian hockey. Okay, this question might be different, might not be from the Olympics, so pay close attention.
SITM Live.
Yes, Rajiv sir got it right.
Rajiv sir.
Just asking out of curiosity.
SITM Library.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And next question. Who sits in that office?
Sir, please repeat.
Who sits in that office?
Sir, show the picture again, please. Chandan Deka.
Right, our very own librarian, sir.
Honorable, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sir Chandan Deka.
Yes, that's the right.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sir Chandan Deka.
Okay, sir. So, Rajiv sir, I think Rajiv sir was the first one.
Rajiv sir.
Pallab sir, can you mute your mic if possible? Okay, great. Moving on to the next question. Pay close attention to the question, okay? I think that's enough.
Top of the hostel.
Sir, kiska hostel, sir?
SITM hostel, sir. Top of the boys hostel. Boys hostel. And taken by Priyanku.
Yes, this beautiful picture is taken by our very own Priyanku, sir. Beautiful picture.
From Samsung M30.
Oh, great, sir. You remember the phone also. आप भी थे क्या उसके साथ?
नहीं, sir.
Okay.
On that time, I am not present there. But I am the.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so who answered it? Okay, Murchana said SITM hostel. Is it specifically boys hostel or just hostel? I'm asking. Priyanku sir?
Yes, SITM boys hostel.
Okay. Then Arif Ahmed said, okay. Tyson Pusang said SITM boys hostel. So that will be the correct answer.
Yeah, Tyson.
Okay, so now I will be asking some basic company logos. I will give you the logo and then you need to identify the company. These are companies that you see every day or maybe you are using it now. Okay, you just need to be a little observant and answer. So here it goes.
Airtel India.
Good. Let me see the answer. Murchana gave almost 4 to 5 answers first. Ruhul Amin, Tina Gogo Aslam, everyone wrote Airtel. So, who said Airtel India?
Time, sir. Indrajit.
Tyson.
So, if Airtel is outside, do they have a different logo outside India?
No, sir.
Okay, then Airtel is the correct answer. Simply Airtel is the correct answer, okay? So, this is the correct answer. Okay, next question.
Asian Paints.
Very good. Let's see who answered. Again, Murchana. Nayan Jyoti sir, Subroto, Polku Protein, Dipankar Nath, Asian Paints. Yes, this is Asian Paints. There you go. Okay, last company logo question.
Dabur.
Very good. So Nayanjati Deka sir answered first. Can we have a round of applause for Nayanjati Deka sir? Great, sir. This is Dabur. Okay, so I think this will be my last question, and this is a funny one. So check the question properly.
ये धोखा ये कैसे कैसे नाम देते हो? आदमी को औरत का नाम देते हो? जरा सा ना इंसाफी। मैं नहीं लड़ूंगा इसके साथ।
I hope everyone got it. Let's see. Rajiv Gogoi sir again answered first. So I think Rajiv Gogoi sir answered 3 answers first. Can we have a big round of applause for him also? Okay, chup ke. Someone wrote Rajpal Yafav. I don't know why. Okay, so that will be my last question. And I wish you all again a very happy 11 Foundation Day. Stay safe and stay well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Nirankush sir.
I hope
It
that was a
great
little
indeed.
bit of fun.
Exactly. It was very nice. And we are in the end of today's program. So thank you everyone, all the participants. Thank you so much for your support and giving me this opportunity. Thank you Pranjal sir for helping me, for your monitoring and guidance. Thank you all the faculty members. Thank you Nirankush sir. Thank you Hassan sir personally and Priyanku sir. Thank you, 3 of you. I have irritated you guys a lot for this thing.
Thank you,
but
Banasi
please,
ma'am,
there
for
was
organizing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you, ma'am, all the participants, students, thank you so much for being a part of us. So it was a great program indeed. Everything went so well. Anyone want to say something? Anyone? Nirankush sir, you want to wind up the session?
I have already said, madam. So maybe someone else.
Okay. Okay.
I just want to tell Gunashri ma'am, thank you so much for organizing such a nice
Thank
program.
you, Priyanka ma'am. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. You are always
see everybody together. I don't know when we are going to meet again.
Yeah, soon, very soon we will meet.
Very soon. Yeah, and thank you all. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, exactly. So just for technology, we are met today. And
Exactly,
thank you,
sir.
Gunashri ma'am, for organizing. That's a nice program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirankush sir. Have a nice quiz.
Yes, thank you, Nirankush sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
But thank you also. Thank you all to also Priyanku. He is helping him, and taken the picture to helping you create the question. Okay. Some
Okay, sir.
credits for quiz goes to Priyanku also, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, Priyanku helped me a lot also. Priyanku, Hassan sir, and Nirankush sir, 2 of them.
Everybody, thank you very much for organizing. That's a nice program.
Okay,
And-
again, happy 11th Foundation Day to all of us. So I think, yeah, Abhishek sir, continue.
No, okay, ma'am. Please, you can.
No, that's it. So
Thank
I
you,
think
Director ma'am.
we can.
Thanks, all of you. That was a lovely gift from all of you. And
thank you,
it
ma'am.
will really be memorable for all of us. I mean, meeting over our tablets, phones, laptops. Yes, technology has taken us so far. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you once
Yes, ma'am.
again. But it would have been a little more better if we would have been there together in the campus today, because I
Yeah.
miss all of you seeing here in the campus, because you are the people who make the campus lively. You are the people who, otherwise the campus is just blocks of cement and bricks, that's all. But
Yeah, that's true.
lively people can bring life to the institution, to the campus. So hopefully we will see you very soon, all of us here. And of course, we will arrange for a nice cultural meet. I could see so many talented people on this platform. So why just let them go? We will all meet together, have a nice get together, and then start with a new note with the new session. Thanks you. Thanks, Tina. It was a lovely song. You sang well. You never participated. Nirankush
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
always good. He never needs all those accolades. Do you, Nirankush?
Ma'am, I choose not to answer that.
So it's okay. Thank you so much.
thank you, ma'am.
Lovely Sunday spent, even though Sundays are not working, but this 1 hour spent with all of you, great. Thank you. Thank you, once.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Students, you
ma'am.
can leave the meeting.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you all.
Priyanku. Thank you, Tina, ma'am. Have a nice song.
All of you. Bye.